Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned about the ray diagrams of the convex mirror. Today, we will be learning about the another part, that is the mirror formula. Okay. Here, mirror formula is 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is called as the mirror formula. And the terms which are there in the mirror formula are f, v and u, where f is the focal length, v is the final, okay, v is the image distance, u is the object distance. Okay. Next, now I'll explain that how to derive this formula, how we will be getting of this formula. Okay. Now I'll explain the derivation of the mirror formula. Derivation of the mirror formula. Here I am drawing up a figure. Which mirror it is? It is a concave mirror. Okay. I am considering a point on the principal axis which is O. Okay. And it is incidenting at a point A. We are drawing off a perpendicular from this A, which we are taking it as H. And after incidenting the point at A, okay, after the reflection, it reflected back at a point I on the principal axis. We are taking up an object O, which is incident at a point A, and after reflection it is reflecting back, and it is coming and meeting at a point I, okay, on the principal axis. Now we are taking this distance as, it's taken as, AC as taken as normal. OA is the incident ray, or OA is the incident ray, CA is the normal, and IA is a reflected ray. IA is the reflected ray. Okay. Now, the same figure I am drawing this side. AC is the normal. Already we learned that center of curvature is the one in which all the normals meeting point. Okay, all the normals, the point of intersection of all the normals is called as the center of the curvature. Okay, and here AO is the incident ray, AI is the reflected ray, and AC is the normal. Now we take this as alpha. Okay, this as beta, and this as gamma. I am taking off three angles, and here I am having off we are taking off three angles. Okay, I am taking this as P dash. Okay, where the perpendicular line drawn now, I am taking this as P dash. Now see here, we are having off three triangles over here. OA P dash. Consider the triangle OAP dash, okay, CAP dash, CAP dash, and IAP dash, and IAP dash. We are considering of three triangles, okay, that is OAP dash, CAP dash, and IAP dash. Now see here, as this is the normal, we are having, this is angle theta, and if it is theta is the angle of incidence, then what is the angle of reflection? It is also theta, okay. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection by the laws of reflection. Therefore, if angle of incidence is theta, angle of reflection also will be equal to theta, okay. Now from this figure, that means we are considering of three triangles. From these three figures we are having of here, okay, from these three figures we have that beta, angle beta is equals to angle theta plus alpha, angle theta plus alpha. On what basis? Exterior angle is equals to, exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles, sum of the two interior angles, interior angles, okay, exterior angle. Here beta is the exterior angle, beta is the exterior angle, and theta plus alpha is the interior angles, okay. From this what we have, theta is equals to, theta if you want, we are exposing this one, beta minus alpha. Let us take this as first equation, beta minus alpha. Theta is equals to beta minus alpha, okay. When we consider the three triangles, that is OAP dash, IAP dash, and CAP dash, from this we are getting about angle beta is equal to angle theta plus angle alpha. In the same way, angle gamma, okay, from these two triangles, what we have, okay, angle theta is equals to angle gamma is equal to theta plus gamma. Here this is the exterior angle, therefore these two are the interior angles, theta plus gamma, theta plus beta, okay, theta plus beta. But normally what we are having, theta is equal to beta minus alpha. Therefore we replace the value of theta. Since theta is equals to beta minus alpha, we write theta is equals to beta minus alpha plus beta. What we are getting here, gamma is equals to beta plus beta is 2 beta minus alpha, okay, 2 beta minus alpha, or we can write it as 2 beta is equals to alpha minus alpha, coming this side becomes plus alpha plus, okay, gamma. This is the second equation. What we got the second equation? Here 2 beta is equals to alpha plus gamma. What is the first equation? Gamma is equal, first equation is that theta is equals to beta minus alpha. First, this is the second. Now see here. Let us keep it aside. Now the same figure, the angle of inclination is very, very small. Here this is O, same figure, but here A is coming now, just we are writing, it is incidenting, same, it is incidenting like this, it is incidenting. Therefore what is happening, P is coinciding with P dash, P is coinciding, or P dash is coinciding, P dash is coinciding with P, okay. Here C we are having, here I we are having, okay, I we are having, as here theta, gamma, okay, beta, alpha, okay, right, okay. When P is coinciding with, P dash is coinciding with P, okay, when P dash is coinciding with P. P dash is coinciding with P. The angle becomes small. The angle becomes small. From this, if we take tan alpha, tan theta is equals to opposite side by the, okay, tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Which is the opposite side for alpha? This is the opposite side. Which is the adjacent side? PO. Okay, PO. Tan alpha is equals to A P dash by PO. But here as P dash is coinciding with P, therefore we get AP by PO. In the same way, we get tan beta is equals to same way, that is AP by AP dash or AP dash by PC. AP dash by PC. That or we can write AP by PC. And in the same way, we get gamma, tan gamma. Tan gamma is equals to AP dash by PI. That is equals to AP by PI. Okay, AP by PI. As this is coinciding with this one, this tan alpha angle, the angle becomes very, very small. Therefore, tan theta becomes theta. In the same way, tan alpha becomes alpha. Therefore, alpha is equals to AP by PO. Beta is equals to AP by PC. And here gamma is equals to AP by PI. Okay, AP by PI. These three. Then substitute these values in the second equation. Substitute the value of alpha comma beta comma in equation 2. We get 2 into AP by PC, that is equals to what? Alpha plus gamma. Alpha is what? AP by PO. AP by PO plus AP by gamma is AP by PI. AP by PI. Okay. Now look at here. I am rubbing off this figure. Even this figure also. Therefore, here we are getting of what? 2 into AP by PC is equals to AP by PO plus AP by PI. Okay. Here AP all cancel. Therefore, 2 by PC is equals to 1 by PO plus 1 by PI. Okay. Next. Here PC, if you are taking of this one, this is O, C, I. Here P is PO is the distance between the pole and the object is called as the object distance. Object distance is denoted by U. PC is center of curvature. PC is the distance between center of curvature, pole and the center of curvature. It is nothing but the radius of curvature. That is equals to R. And here PI is the image distance. That is equals to V. Therefore, just you replace this value. 2 by PC means what? R. PO is nothing but 1 by U plus 1 by V. Therefore, actually we are getting of R is equals to 2F. We get R is equals to 2 times that of the focal length. Therefore, 2 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. 2 cancel, therefore 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by u. This is the mirror formula. Okay, the remaining we'll be learning in the next class. Thank you.